Welcome to a quick guide to filling out the Teacher of the Year nomination form. When you see the form, there are 4 tabs: Nominee Info, Writing Prompts, Photo, and Principal's Recommendation. You will only need to fill out the first 3. Let's get started. On Nominee Info, the first question you are asked is a very important one. Do you want your application to be judged? Selecting No means that you will still receive your awards plaque and can still attend the banquet in the fall, but will not be in contention for Polk County Teacher of the Year. You also will only need to fill out the rest of the Nominee Info tab and upload a photo to the Photo tab. Following this, you will see your name as it is currently set to appear on your awards and other materials for the banquet. If you would like to change this in any way for reasons such as wanting to use your middle name, or maybe you've had a recent last name change, write in the box here exactly what you want your name to look like on your awards plaque. The next questions are straightforward: what your primary teaching assignment is, what your years of experiences are at the requested levels, and a quick checkbox for media consent, information accuracy, and acknowledgement that becoming Polk Teacher of the Year may include some speaking engagements. Once you've completed this tab, hit the Save Form button. You can save as often as you would like. Once you've answered all questions, the red warning sign on the tab will turn to a green check mark. There are 7 writing prompts for the teacher application, all with a 500 word count limit. Feel free to copy the questions to a Word document to write your response, and then paste them in later. Judges will be using your responses to determine if you will become a finalist for Teacher of the Year. So please refrain from using your school's name or colleagues, as all nominations are anonymous during the judging process. And also, of course, don't forget to save often. And finally, upload a high-quality photo. We recommend a photo on a solid color background, and it can be taken with a camera, or if you have a cell phone with a really good camera as well, you can use that. Please don't use any head-to-toe full-body photos or selfies, and please don't submit anything that's scanned or is a photo of a photo. Save your form when it's all uploaded, and that should be done. The application is due on the date that you see here. If you have any questions, send an email to specialevents@polk-fl.net.